All right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to do a quick little talk on these VGT turbos. Right here I've got an X15 Cummins turbo. That is one that we keep in stock here. We keep several Cummins turbos in stock, some aftermarket ones. If you're interested, they'll save you thousands compared to a Cummins turbo. So anyway, I just wanted to show you, if you're having turbo problems, you're getting actuator driver codes or any kind of turbo code. If you pop that actuator right off the top here, the best way you're gonna be able to tell if it's your turbo or your actuator is if this still sweeps. So essentially your actuator is sitting on here and it's got a little geared piece that when it's ready, it'll sweep that back and forth. A lot of times what happens, something gets stuck in there or this gets bound up and it doesn't move at all. You'll get it tight, or it'll only get like partial movement. It doesn't go to the line. This one obviously is new, so it's going to go all the way where it's supposed to. So if you're getting those codes, you're having turbo problems, and you pull this off and this moves freely, it is going to have a little bit of, it's not going to just flop around or it'll be broken, right? So should have take a little bit of doing, but it should move pretty freely. If you can get it to move back and forth both ways, likely, not always, but likely your turbo is going to be okay. You've got an actuator problem. So, but a lot of times when these things seize up, that's usually the problem. And then you'll get an actuator driver code, meaning the actuator can't move this. And then that's how you're going to decide, is it this or is it the actuator? It is good practice if you can at the time to replace the actuator with the turbo. We've found sometimes, we've done several where we don't, but we have found some where the old actuator on the new turbo just kind of gives you fits, doesn't like to calibrate, or goes out not long after that. So it is good practice just so they're both new together. But as we all know, parts are super expensive. So that's basically how this VGT, how you're going to know if your turbo's bad or if your actuator's bad. There is other things that are, might change that a little bit, but for the most part, this is kind of what you're looking for, is just good free movement in that. And then also, if you are having those turbo problems, feel free to give us a call. It's 435-743-5550, and we can ship these anywhere in the US, and we'll take good care of you. So any questions, please leave in the comments, or if you've got any other videos you'd like to see, leave a comment below, and please hit that subscribe button. It helps us a bunch. And thanks for watching.